All right, here we go. What I have here is what I'm going to be selling on eBay, and I'm going to try and associate it with a Kubota vehicle. This is a new fuel injector, and I can't get a good part number to shine on that, but this is new. Okay, you can see there's no discoloration. I got these from China. Okay, I needed one of them for my brother-in-law's Kubota, which failed to start. In the ad you'll see which Kubota that was, but this part number, it's an FBYCG50. Then on next line there's a 500 and then a lot number 6724. I have a total of 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. They're all the same. Now also you'll see for sale, if you want it or possibly not, a connection for the fuel injector. Okay, let's see, make sure I get it in the right way, and this is the right way, and it snaps into place. And I have this in case you have a broken connector. I have 2 of these, one of which is at the farm with the other fuel injector. Now let's see, what did I want to say? Yes, and oh, just so you know, to make life easy, this is Napa. Okay, and the part number for that, it's an Echo Charlie 2233. And evidently, in doing some research, excuse me, I'm going to make sure this is in the screen so you can see it. These are evidently Subaru, for Subaru vehicles, this is the fuel injector. Okay, he had one that got clogged. You'll see in the video that I got it unclogged, and then I finally got around to installing it. Anyway, because I did manage to get the first one to work. But anyway, that's the end of this video. You'll see these for sale. I paid, what was it? $80, and I had to register and get set up so I could buy things from China. And I bought 4 brand new ones, and here are 3 that I'm willing to part with. And I figure I'm gonna sell them for roughly 20 bucks a piece so I can recoup the cost. But anyway, there's 3 each you can buy anyway, and it only uses one, the Kubota that I fixed. Thank you.